Hi guys, welcome to my channel Intertropical Plants and Cooking. For this video, I'm going to show you how to plant or propagate the umbrella plant. I'm going to cut my big umbrella plant here. So as you can see, it's getting super tall now, so I need to trim it. And then once I trim it, I will plant it in my pot there that is ready. So come join me and let's do the planting of umbrella plant. So guys, I'm ready. So I got the cutting scissor here, and then we will cut. Oh God, I'm gonna cut my big umbrella plant. So bye bye umbrella plant. Let's start. I'm gonna cut it up to here. Here guys. This now it's already done. Goodbye umbrella plant. So I got the cuttings now guys. What we're gonna do now is cut it in 3 pieces. We'll do it a bigger cutting. I got one over here. Cut. And then one of this. There you go. So guys, here they are. I'm just gonna cut the leaves. Start over here like that. That's how you do your cuttings. Like that. The other one. So we got 2. That is done. One more, last one. I'm gonna cut the top. So what you gotta do guys is cut slant like this. Like that. Same with this one. There we go. So what's this one? There. Now we're ready to put it in the pot. So guys, we're gonna plant this cuttings now. I got the rooting hormone here. This is the aloe vera. We're gonna put some aloe vera at the end of our cuttings, just like that, as you can see. And then I got a potting soil here. It's mixed potting soil. So I'm gonna put a hole in. I watered this already, so we don't need to water it. And then put it like that. And then we're gonna put one more hole here. So 3 holes, because we got 3 cuttings. Like that. So we put the rooting hormone aloe vera. If you have aloe vera, you can use honey too. Honey is good too. And then we put it like that. Same with this one. We just put it in there. And then we put it to that hole. And cover it. Just like that. And that's it. We're done. So now that it's ready, I'm just gonna put the plastic bag like that. I'll poke it to the sand like that. And then we will check it in 2 to 3 weeks. And then we shall see if will grow or not. but I'm pretty sure it will grow because I did it too many times already. So happy planting and gardening, guys. Happy propagating. And this is how it looks like now. I hope you like the video. If you want to try to propagate umbrella plants, that's the step by step. Just copy what I did, and later on you're gonna have plenty of umbrella plant if you want to propagate only. So that's it for now. Have a great day, and thank you for watching my video, guys. Bye.